In this video, we will be covering the different forms of communication in tarot. Hey you guys, this is Ashley for FD 1111 Ministries, home of Tarot, Bible, and Alchemy. We're starting with the Four of Wands and the Three of Cups. This is an invitation to a wedding ceremony or some type of celebratory event. This could be a party invitation, especially with the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands mainly deals with like something with the church or a synagogue. This could be an invitation to join a church or some type of church event, such as a wedding, like I mentioned before, an anniversary. This could be even a christening, baptism, invitation to join some type of religious organization, such as a coven or a synagogue, like I was saying. The Three of Cups deals with, yes, a celebration, but this is more like a party type of atmosphere. This could be an invitation to go out with your girls or to hang out with the guys, going to the club. The Sun card could be an invitation to a baby shower. In conjunction, that could also be an invitation to something dealing with like a church, like I was saying, or some type of ritual setting. The Six of Coins. The Six of Coins deals with some type of approval for government assistance or tuition assistance. With this government assistance could be for some type of public housing. It could be for SSI. It could be for any type of assistance that the government gives out. It could be a Pell Grant, if you will, dealing with the tuition. This could be an approval for any type of assistance dealing with those type of programs. The Five of Coins. The Five of Coins is an unexpected bill, eviction, notice, or garnishment. The Two of Swords, the Hangman, and the Justice card, served with papers for jury duty or some type of public service. The Ace of Swords is a handwritten letter. This could be a postcard. This could be an older person sending you a handwritten letter. We really don't do handwritten letters so much now, but this is someone that would take their time writing something out, being very clear and direct and precise. The Two of Swords is a letter, a document, or a contract arriving. The High Priestess and the Nine of Swords, telepathy, dreams, or astral interactions. The Two of Cups deals with business contracts or agreements. The Ace of Coins, a job offer or a loan approval. The Hierophant card deals with taxes, hospital bills, taxation, or any type of institution fees. The Tower card, emergency call or urgent situation. Now this could also represent unexpected traffic ticket in the mail. So nowadays they have those cameras that can take photos of people that go through a red light or some type of traffic violation. A person could be receiving a type of bill or traffic violation in the mail. So this is like unexpected. This could also be, like I was saying, like some type of emergency phone call. The Fool card is a postal or email form of communication. The Magician card, a written or phone call. And it's more so with this written, it could be written like the Ace of Swords, but this more so deals with like something that happens a little quicker. So if it was a written note that came through, this would be like expedient mail. But mostly that the Magician card deals with something speedy, like a text message or an email, something that comes through really quickly. The Eight of Wands, fast, rapid, typically a text message of some type of communication coming in. Page of Cups, typically a phone call. Page of Wands, typically a text, FaceTime, Skype, a video chat. The Page of Coins, parcel, very slow, or even spam mail. The Page of Swords, gossip, or false or self-talk or false self-talk. So this is a form of communication that can be more so on the negative side. This could even represent lies, like some type of false information that is coming through. Someone could have told a fib on someone. The Four of Cups, lost, broken, undeliverable package. email sent to the wrong email address or an email that came a little too late could represent mail being sent to the wrong address. The star card, excellent news, letter or message, a good strong conversation or group chat. The Knight of Swords, urgent mail, overnight, special delivery, priority mail, air mail, or even faxes. So I hope this video was interesting, that you learned a little more information about tarot that you can use in your personal readings as well as client readings when it deals with some form of communication. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and a notification bell to receive notifications when we post new information. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. You can leave your different ideas in tarot and communication. Feel free to leave a comment down below. We really do enjoy hearing from you guys.